In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to complete your first quest in ByteDeck. In the last tutorial, you were shown how to join ByteDeck and to join this course. There's another video tutorial which shows you all around the various aspects of ByteDeck. But in this tutorial, we're just going to show you how to complete your first quest. Notice, though, that you have one available quest. There's nothing in progress. There's nothing completed. Completing this first quest will reveal other quests, and how many quests that you see at one time depends upon what your instructor wants you to see. In this case, we would like you to complete this Welcome to ByteDeck quest before continuing. So I'll click on it, and it expands it. It provides me a bit of an intro. And I can either view the details or I can actually start the quest. I think I'll start the quest. The quest details here are where you'll find the content for this particular quest. This quest is all about providing you some context and some details and some information about the learning path for the Learn.ByteDeck experience. Now, if I continue to scroll down here, the submission instructions are quite important. In this particular case, this quest will be automatically approved and will award you 20 XP for 20 minutes of focused work. Different instructors have different rationales for providing you XP. I usually like to use XP per minute. So 20 XP for 20 minutes of work. This shows you what happens when the quest is automatically approved, and it's really important, especially at first, that you read these items very carefully. If there's anything to submit, it goes down here with the quest submission form. In this case, there's nothing to submit unless I have a question. It says right over here, please do add any questions you have in the submission box below. That's right over here. And if you do place something here, your instructor will be notified in addition to your quest being automatically approved. And that way the instructor can reply to any questions you might have. But if you have no questions and are ready to just move on, simply scroll all the way down and submit the quest for approval. If there's a file that you're adding to the quest, you can choose a file. It might be a video or a Word document or an image. But I think I'm done, and I'm just going to go submit quest for approval. But before I click this button, I'd like you to notice up here. There's my profile, I'll be the student, and right here are how many XP I've actually earned, 0. When I click submit, that changes to 20 XP. Now I should really have more available quests. Sometimes you need to refresh your browser to actually have the next quest available. So I'll refresh my browser. Notice that I have several of them available. My recommendation to you is that you begin with this one, a look around ByteDeck. What happens when you complete these orientation quests? Well, I'm just going to look at maps for a moment. Once I complete these orientation quests, it'll immediately release a badge for me, and also it'll release this quest, which allows me to request my own instructor's deck, which is when things get really exciting. Okay, that's enough. Thanks for your attention.